morning. Welcome to another video. My name is Robin Stolberg and we're trading futures. Right now the market's open. This is the first candle. We are trading longs today. I'm already done for the day, but I took the long here during, where was it? No, I shorted it today. Here I saw this. We broke the trend, went down, then we're going back up. And usually when that happens, we are going back down into some area like the 200 DMAs. Perhaps we didn't do that this time, but we went low enough for me to short. I shorted here, end of London. And as I said, we're looking for longs today. We have already taken previous day's high and low. No, I mean high, sorry. There is not a lot to do here. I am done for the day though. I went into drawdown here, closed my short, took another one and held it for 1.4k. I need 5 more trading days, then I can take my first payout on Apex. And that means I can purchase more accounts, because in January I tilted and I lost all my 5 top step accounts and my 3 funded ticks accounts. However, the funded ticks accounts was already gonna be lost this month due to them closing down. And I trade using Albrook's ideas, and for me that's a couple of setups. The major trend reversal, which is break of the trend, close trade under the EMA 20, push back up. We could have shorted here, right here, for 13 points, but I usually want to see another leg and then break it before we're going short down here. But since I'm long biased, I am not trying to short into that. And as you can see here, the daily, we have always broken new highs. So I expect price to break a new high this time too, which is up here. So that's our target. We will see. I'm gonna wait for a signal candle and then we enter after that. This could have been acting like a signal candle, but I don't know if previous days candles actually count. I'm trying to change so the stream layout is a little bit hidden. Doesn't seem to work though. Can have it like that at least. Yeah. Alright. As you can see, everything is bullish. This is the 1 hour. Would love to see it go down a bit, but you know, we don't always get that. Sorry. Doesn't look like we're getting the long yet. I'm looking to get a camera as well. I know there is 0 views, but this is pretty much my way to journal my trades as well. And I used to trade the NQ. However, the NQ is kind of it's not good. As you can see, it's very messy. Looks alright, they look pretty much the same, but it's a bit messy. Also, it's so much easier to make money of on the ES. Let's see here what happens. And no, I don't trade ICT shit. Not a good candle. We just have to wait for this one to close as well. So far, nothing good. And Q dumping. But we'll be waiting. We could look at the DAX for the last morning's setup. Alright. The school run setup. It happens on the second candle of the day. This is the second candle. If we trade above it, we long in. If we trade below it, we short in. We're shorting here. It's the 15-minute setup. Minimum 1 hour. Preferably 2 hour plus. 1 push, 2 push. New entry here. For a 5 hour or so. We could have done that. Let's look at the previous. This is just me backtesting, you know. Nice. Next day. Thing is, if you do this enough times, you're gonna trust any setups. And this one I know works. Because I have traded it before a lot. So that's the setup this time. And preferably you're gonna trail it as long as possible. You have no new lows being broken here, so just let it run, you know. Let it run. Once this is created, you could trail here, but hold into close if you can. Second candle. Oh, wrong one, wrong day. Wait. Alright, doesn't work. That's the 3rd of February. Second candle, This one could, yeah, this one goes into the loss. That sucks, but you know, it is what it is. You could have placed it down here as well, but the setup goes down here. Okay, next one could change. Change the name of this, I think. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. All right. All right. We are on day 29th. That's looking like a short. And we hold, we hold, we hold. Yeah, it's all the way down there. All right. Wonder if we should hide the price there. No, never mind. Okay, so next candle. That's the second again here. first, second. Alright. This is a nice R. Sorry. $1.8 R. It's a very small range day here. But it was a profitable one as well. And just like that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of trading history documented. Doesn't have to be harder than that, you know? Let's go back as much as we can. This is gonna be a struggling day here. Second candle. Could have closed out for almost 3R or hold into close. Okay, first, second candle, trade up there. Stop loss goes on the bottom. Profit goes on the top, and then we go all the way. So this is the possible profit. 1.5R. Now this is the possible profit. 2R. And this is where we actually close at tiny loss. Or never mind. We would have lost here already. That's where, I don't know, we could have lost a lot of money here. We could have flipped and taken short here, and then back up long here, back up short here. So there is possibilities to lose as well, but as long as you stick to the rules, you may not, or you should not, lose a lot of money on days like that. Second candle, lost. And then we flip it. Let's ignore the flip for the backtesting. It is gonna make it more confusing here. Oh, nice. This is a good one. Second candle, nothing until right there. If we held into close, that would be the profit. We held here, that would be 2R. We could just trail it under the 15 here, 20 EMA. Another good one here. If we held into close or if we closed. I would probably have closed here because this is the pattern of my major trend reversal, which is when you break it, goes to trade above the EMA 20 and then you push down again for another sweep here. So we would have probably closed out here. $11 days. Oof, this is a rough one. So it starts with a long. Which became a loss right away here. Then we took a short here. Stop loss. Was never reached. Another day here. If we held into the close, 1 hour. Where's the tools? Where is the toolbars? I want them all. I need to. All right. Win. Holding into close. Here I don't even know if I would have taken the short. First I lost, then I win here. All day. This is the part of trading people don't really do. I don't even do it most of the times. Let's do the full year, then I'm gonna be done for the day. First long loss, then I short. A lot of losses this day. First losses. So the max profit could be 3.07. All day would be 0.6. Time to max. Can we get a pure profit soon here? Please. Shit. Yeah, I'm gonna ignore this now. Okay, so we got a few days at least. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 19 days. And they all are looking kind of good. I'm gonna continue this later on. I'm not gonna do any trading today. I already done mine, as you can see on this screen. See you on Thursday. Let's hope we get a better day together then. 5 more days until my first payout in Apex, and